In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open SoFi high yield savings account. So first of all, you need to head over to the official SoFi platform. You can see we have this kind of landing page showing up in here, and you can see we have all of these services available in here. Now, of course, to open an account, whether it is going to be saving, insurance, or whatever the matter that you want to deal with, is of course going to be starting by creating a completely new account onto the platform if you haven't done that already. So click onto this open an account option. It is now going to be asking you about a certain set of basic questions, information about you. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Like for example, you need to enter your first name and then your last name. Then you got to be entering your state. Like for example, we have Alaska in this section. We also got email that we need to fill in, so you can simply enter in here your email. Once you do that, I am gonna be entering in here the password. So once you enter in here your password, just like this, you need to verify whether you are this capture, and then click on next. So once you fill all these fields, you are going to be jumping straight onto their dashboard, from where you can manage all of the different sections, like for example the services that are provided, and only then you will be able to get to your saving account. So you can see the different kind of benefits that you get. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.